Greetings to everyone. This is Daniel, and I'm here to explain my second experiment for the database lab. This is the second experiment deals with data manipulation language, in which operations like select, insert, update, delete, and all can be done. Now, as of this particular lab, we did the first experiment where creation of tables is done, deletion of columns, and everything is done. But here we get to insert values and select values. We can change those values. We get to do all that stuff. So we already created this table called customer. So in this customer table, we get to insert values like the 01 John Doe, 392 Sunset Boulevard. See, this would be a number string, and this would be a name string. Same thing, name varchar2, and again this would be another varchar2 and number. This would result in these commands that we type, and this would result in a data that is being shown here. In the same way, we get to insert values in the order table, order line table that we already created, and as you can see, the order table value, this is the order line table value, this is the product table value, and this would be our suppliers table, where we get to update his code as 10032. So what we do is update customer set postal code equals 10032, where our customer name is Henry Smith, and the table ends up being like this. So near Henry Smith, as you can see, this is 10032. The next question is insert the record this value into the table, order table. So what we have insert into table name and next values. This is the syntax for inserting a value into the table. The whole set is introduced. Like we have variables like so these are the variables that we have: order ID, which is a number, order date, and customer ID. So this is a string and this is a number again. So these variables in the same order it is seen there, in that order itself they are been entered, and as you can see 108 10th November 1 is being entered. The next question is delete the record from where the order is 108. So it is delete from table name, where order ID, the variable, is equal to this particular value, and that ends up being 108th column has disappeared, which is deleted as well. So display the product details of products whose price is greater than 100. So select star does select all the values of product, thereby not selecting a particular value but selecting all the value and comparing whose price is 100. These are the values where price is greater than 100. As you can see, 10,000, 15,000. It is pretty relevant. Sort and display the details of supplier whose rating is greater than equal to 4. So this particular line does the whole work. This particular line, what it does is it selects all the columns from suppliers where rating is greater than equal to 4, and it arranges it in the ascending order. As you can see here, rating is in the ascending order. From the same, sort the table order line in descending order according to the ordered price. So it is select star all the values from order by price descending. So this arranges the values in a descending order. As you can see here, price is in descending order. See, 40, 34, 30, and so on. That is how the values are. Next question, so the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. Select star from product where product description equals table lamp. This is one way, and this is another way where table lamp is included in between parentheses. This output turns out to be like this. Here we have given the input, as you can see, and here it is 4000 table lamp nudge/15. This is the column that has been selected and is supposed to be viewed. How many customers have a name that end with the letter A? So this is the syntax: select count of customer name. Here we select the count. The count is, it basically increments the values from this variable called customer name, which is included in the table customer that is mentioned here, table name, where customer's name, this variable, like %A. So this particular thing, what it does is that it actually compares the string, and it checks whether the word ends with a in customer name. So this is where we give the command. This is, we didn't give any person with the name a. List the customers who have y in their name. Select customer name from customer where customer name like percentage y percentage. So this particular thing displays, as you can see, we have given input here. So Henry Smith is one name which has y's. Let's start with the letter J. J percentage. J percentage, same syntax again, where customer name like J percentage. So this would do John Doe and Joey. That is the output that we get. List the names of the customers whose ordered quantity is between 10 and 15. It is select s_name from suppliers. So from the suppliers table we select this particular variable where ordered quantity is between 10 and 15. So these are the values. Increase the quantity of suppliers by 2% for whoever's rating is greater than 4. So we have an update option here. Update suppliers, set ordered quantity. So we are setting the ordered quantity value equals ordered quantity to 1.02 where rating is greater than 4. So display the names of customers in alphabetical order. So we select the customer name from the table customer and we ordered them by customer_name ascending. So this particular variable is ordered in the ascending order. Find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. So select, we have a count for order_date where from order where order date is this. So as you can see, look at here, we have count equals 3. Question number 16, show the order details for the product ID 1000. Select, so this is what we use, select product description, the variable product_line_id from product where product ID equals 1000. So this particular shows all the details that are associated with product_id is 1000. So it shows all the other details related to that. This is our experiment. Thank you.